did you get? Oh, wicked. Come look at the size of this. Yeah. Check this fridge out. 690 kgs. Can't even fit through the door. Fuck it. This is a heavy car. Did you ring them to get the guy to come in and take the doors off? Yeah.
Why did you take all those out?
The space. Come over and look at the space.
What's happened, Chantal?
Oh shit. Shit. Yeah. Good one, eh, son? Knows that cool? Yeah. Of course. Amos goes, look, I can fit in the fridge. I was like, oh yeah, he showed me. I was like, cool. Oh, we can get Maya when she gets back. We'll punk her. You got punked, miss? 40 got punked. Dictation.